I was in opposition for 16 years, from 1999 to 2015, before now I'm in the party in government. And I'm happy and glad and thank God for that. But even as an opposition, we knew where we would oppose the government and where we would cooperate with the government. Take, for example, the security of the country. Could there be any legislator who would oppose any legislation that will enhance the performance of our armed forces or our police to provide security? No. Whether you are APC or PDP or YPP, we have the same people to serve. So we'll work to ensure that we achieve and attain that desired unity within the chamber. There will be equity and fairness in our affairs. Equity and fairness. I am sure that once we are able to unite around national interest, we will contribute meaningfully to governance. Having said that, let me jump to the easiest question of if the party, our party, the APC, zones the office of the Senate President to a zone different from mine. Am I not a party man? I am a loyal party man. I will respect the decisions of my leaders and my party. Simplicity. As for, I think the second question is similar to the first one, how we go along with our colleagues. We will do what I've just said, that we need the cooperation and support of everybody. You know, I also believe that if we want to work with the executive in such a manner that we can deliver good governance, first, we achieve that unity amongst ourselves senators. Second, that we work or have a relationship with the executive arm of government that is characterized by consultation, by coordination, by partnership amongst the two arms of government. I always say that the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria provides for separation of powers. And I always define separation of powers maybe in a very unorthodox manner, but I believe in that. The separation of powers does not amount to independence of arms of government. That it is specializations of functions of the arms of government. The executive cannot function without the legislature. The legislature too need to work with the executive in a cordial manner. But that does not take away that special function of oversight. That does not take away that function of ensuring that what we do in the legislature to support the executive are things that the executive will work with. By the way, Who said we'll never disagree with the executive? By design, we are meant to disagree. By design in the Constitution, we are meant to hold different perspectives from time to time on issues. But when we disagree, I always say we should sit down and look at the issues and take a decision that is in the national interest. Take a decision in the national interest. That solves the problem.